What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the channel. My name's Craig. Obviously, today we had a pretty high PPI. Markets aren't liking it. Bitcoin started dumping last night, but if you guys have been watching the channel, you shouldn't be surprised. We've had this target for weeks. Is this the exact top? Possibly. Does it have to be? Absolutely not. But can you make money on the way down? Of course. We're going to take a look at that. Also, we're going to take a look at Ethereum and some other altcoins. Are we going to have an alt season? Where are these coins going and how high could they go? We'll take a look at that. So definitely stick around for the whole video. Make sure you smash a like, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already, and let's get into it. All right, so let's get into it. So far, the markets are open. The Dow's down 200 points, S&P's down 26, and NASDAQ is down 110. Will this continue, or is it going to flip and end green today? Let's take a look at crypto and see where that's at. Oh, before we do, so this is the tweet I was talking about. I posted this yesterday. It said Bitcoin's next short area, but again, we've been talking about this target for weeks. You can go back and watch the videos. I told you we should hit this 124.3. We did go a little bit higher, but if you entered a short there, you're doing pretty well. I did already take profits, but I'm going to be looking for another short, and I'll explain to you in the video where I'm going to be looking for that. I should have probably stayed in it, but hey, I took some profits. So anyways, and if we go back, so here's where we are now. There's where we hit, and I put, was that it? Was it? I don't know. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitter or X down below. Definitely check it out, and let's get into what's going on. So there's a few things I want to look at here. First of all, we're going to start with the 4 hour, right? So there was our target area that we had, and all this was, guys, was simply a measured move of the breakout here, right? That was how we got our target, and here we go with, oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. That was where we got our target. We did hit it, went a little above, not much, but I did take profit. I took profit when we hit the 55 EMA at 118. Thought it was going to get a better bounce. It has not. So what I'm looking for here is possibly, let's see if it possibly gets back down to, I'm going to keep this where I had it. We're going to look for and see how the reaction is right around here. Sorry guys, I am just making this video on kind of a whim. I just wanted to get one out to you today. I didn't yesterday, kind of because we were just in limbo waiting for this. But anyways, that's what I'm looking for here. Our major support area is going to be around the 108 and 109 range. Right now, as you can see, we're at a high volume node here. We'll see if this holds or if we break down from there. But guys, remember, crypto is always going to bounce. I will be looking for my next short. Probably if we break down past this level, or we break down past 118 and test it for resistance, I may enter another short there. I'll let you guys know. Right now it is showing a little bit of hidden bullish divergence, or yeah, a little bit of hidden bullish divergence, but the candle's not closed yet. So on the daily, if the daily closes like this, right? If it closes like this, that is a bearish engulfing candle, and bearish engulfing on the daily means at least the next 2 or 3 candles are probably gonna be lower, but we'll see what happens on that. If we make like if you guys been watching the channel, you know what 3 black crows is. If we do something like that, it could get pretty crazy. Now, here was my target. Remember guys, this is a huge trend line here. Now, if you want to be bullish on Bitcoin, if we break this trend line and get support above this 124.5 range, this could be the huge bull run that everybody's been talking about, and I mean huge. Like, this could be a monster bull run. We could talk about those targets if we break. We got to break the 124.5 and hold, and if we do that, it could get crazy in the crypto world. That could be what everybody's talking about. Like, literally, maybe it becomes a world currency or a world reserve. I don't believe so, but hey, anything can happen. If you guys have been watching what's going on in the world today, it is extremely nuts. A normal-minded person cannot figure this out because it's not normal, period. If you think different, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget, you guys can, there it is. There's that bearish engulfing candle. We'll see how it plays out. But also, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys leave a comment, because I'm picking random comments once a week through all the videos. So go through all the videos every week. Make sure you leave a comment. I'm going to give one comment a free $200 Prime XBT account. You can sign up using my link down below. Both the sponsors, Prime XBT and BITUNIX. BITUNIX, we do have a thing going on right now, a trade competition. I'll let you guys know what that is in tomorrow's video. But there you go. There is that huge trend line. This is the second time we tapped it here. We got a pretty big rejection. We'll have to see what happens here. This is the weekly chart. And it literally, I mean, it literally tagged that, went just above it. It did pierce it, but it came down, still coming down pretty hard. We'll see how this goes. So Ethereum, you guys know my two targets for Ethereum, right? We have this target here, the 70, actually it's down a little bit lower, about 7,300. And then we have the breakout of the wedge. If it's able to stay above 39.3, this remains possible up to about the 8,100, so let's say 8,000 range. That is if altcoins go, there is an alt season, right, where altcoins pump while Bitcoin just kind of lingers or goes down. We'll see what happens there. But as of right now, it is still above all our support. Let's put our two support lines on here so you guys have something to watch. Let's do it right here. Where am I at? Why am I having such a hard time finding my stuff today? Man, I don't know. I think it's the heat, guys. The heat has been crazy. So there it is. 40, let's say 4,400 is this support. If it breaks below that, then we have 3,900 support. If it breaks below that, it could get bad. And if you guys want to zoom in here, you can see if we go from this high to this high, we have a lower high. If we go from this high to this high, we have a higher high. That is hidden bearish divergence. Doesn't mean that it's necessarily the top, but it's something to be cautious about because it could continue down in a big way from here. XRP, same thing, got a big rejection here. Our target for that has been around $3.91, and that's the breakout of this wedge here. But as of right now, we have not been able to hit it. If we get an alt season, we may, and if that breaks, we could go as high as 471. Solana has to break back in this rising channel. Otherwise, we're still looking for these targets down here as low as $6. And all that is measured moves from these old moves over here. But from the breakdown of this channel, the measured moves around $27. I know a lot of people laugh at that, but man, if you've been in crypto at any amount of time, when it gets great and everyone's excited, it usually gets pretty bad afterwards. Not saying it's going to happen yet, but do be cautious because it will happen eventually, guys. So anyways, let's see what's going on here. We broke out of this channel, broke back in. So far, we haven't closed. We got 10 hours to close. Let's see where this candle closes. If it closes up here, we may come down to retest this trend down here. So that's where I'm at, guys. Make sure you guys leave a comment. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Make sure you guys leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. You can hit this little button. Where is that? Right there. And check out our sponsors, Prime XBT and BITUNIX. Right now, Prime XBT has almost no fees for trading, so definitely check them out. I did make a tweet about that or a post on X, so make sure you check it out. Also, the free Discord link is down below. Take it easy, guys. Sorry the video drug on so long. I'm out.